I'm going to talk for a couple of minutes about mediation and explain to you how what Bob and I actually do can be very, very similar, but at the same time how it can be very, very different. Just a couple of things before that. Bob expressed some of his frustration with the litigated model. We're all frustrated with that. One of the best best metaphors I've come up with to get people to really understand how destructive this is I call it the Coliseum model. For me, it is each side hires their gladiator, the lawyer. They go to the courtroom, the Coliseum, and then they beat each other up and bloody each other as much as they can. At the end of the day, you have Caesar determining your fate, up or down, and you have absolutely no control over the process. And it works great in the United States legal system if the two people or the parties that come to the Coliseum don't know each other. Automobile accident cases, contract cases, all of these things are great in that model because then you're hoping justice will prevail. These are people, though, that afterwards don't have to deal with each other again. If you're you're in a car accident and you go to court, you don't have to deal with that person ever again. So you can beat the other side up and not worry about the aftermath and the fallout. It is completely ill-suited for the family paradigm because at the end of the day, you're all still stuck with each other in a legal sense and in an emotional sense in order to continue to co-parent. So it's devastating and it's unfair, and all four of us believe that there are better ways to do this that really safeguard and take care of those relationships. At the end of the day, how you start your divorce process is how you're going to live your post-divorce life for a really long time. So if you go through it on the inside of it going in with a lot of contentious litigation, understand you may be condemning yourself to repeat trips to the Coliseum, because when somebody imposes their decision on you, one side or the other is generally not happy with it. And then they keep going back to court to get a better result. So not only is it expensive on the front end to get your final divorce, but it continues to be expensive and wear families down emotionally and financially for a long time after the final divorce decree in modifications and continuing trips to the Coliseum. So this is why we're really, if it sounds like we're really trying to make this point clear, we'd like you, and when you talk to other people that are also involved in this process, try to get people to really recognize how difficult and damaging this may be and really think about the better ways that are out there to do it.